So hello everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma. So we are back again with the fourth part of our topic, and जो हमारा टॉपिक था वो था हाउ टू लाइक बेसिक प्रोसीजर ऑफ फाइलिंग अ सिविल सूट. तो आफ्टर फाइलिंग ऑफ अदर डॉक्यूमेंट्स the next step is framing of issues, and the next stage is a civil proceeding is framing of issues are framed by the court on the basis of which arguments and examination of witness take place, and the issues are framed keeping in view the dispute in the suit, and the parties are not allowed to go outside the purview of issues, and issues framed by maybe of a fact or of law, and at the time of passing final order, the court will deal with each issue separately and will pass judgment on each issue. Next step is list of witness or cross examination. All the witnesses that the parties wish to produce and examine have to be presented before the court within 15 days from the court on which issues are framed, or within such other period as the court may fix, and both the parties to the suit have to file a list of witnesses, and the parties may either call the witnesses by themselves, or the court can ask the same by sending someone to witnesses, and the party in case summons are issued by the court, then the party who asks for such presence of witness has to deposit money with the court for their expenses. This money deposited is known as diet money, and on the date of hearing, the witnesses produced before the court will be examined by both the parties, and once the cross examination is over, at this stage the court will fix a date for final hearing. After the cross examination, the next step is final hearing. On the day of final hearing, the arguments take place, which should be strictly confined to the issues framed, and after hearing the final arguments of both the parties, the court shall pass a final order either on the day of final hearing itself or some other day fixed by the court. Before the final arguments, the parties to the suit can amend their pleadings with the permission of the court. So, all about the basic procedure for filing a suit. Thank you.